Yo, what's up guys? So, I don't know if you're waiting for this review, but finally, marireview ka na si HSI Imagination. Let's go. And yet again, as always, I don't have an actual OG bottle or na try na smell yung original na Imagination. So, this one, I will be just reviewing this based on the scent as well as its overall performance. And then yet again, this is solely based in my opinion as well as based sa experience ko about these or the perfumes that I am reviewing. So I hope you will understand that kind of, thing. Let's talk about the scent of this perfume. Opening niya, it is very citrusy. May konting spice. I think that's from a ginger note niya. And then dries down on a very green aromatic na perfume. One thing I could say, I do get people na nagsasabi that this one amoy iced tea siya. I think that's because of its tea notes sa kanyang base. Next, let's talk about the performance of this perfume. This one only lasted for like 3 to 5 hours on my skin and then actively projects for the first 1 hour or 1.5 hours on my skin. And then kanyang overall projection, this one only projects for like average to moderate na projection niya. And then for sillage, also moderate, hindi gaanong pansinin, but still, it will leave you a scent trail. Again, I don't have the OG, so I don't know how the OG behaves or performs, but I think this one is pretty decent na, or decent for its price. Especially, I got this only for like below 220, I guess. Kasi inaabangan ko always mga lives nila so that I could have a huge discount when I order with them. And then guys, inaantay ko na talaga na less than 50 pesos yung kanyang shipping kasi I am from Visayas and 50 pesos is very mahal na for me. So ang tanong, worth it nga ba si HSI Imagination? The answer for me is, I would say yes. Why? Because for me, I am looking for something refreshing na freshy. Okay, pero actually somehow powdery yung hinahanap ko. Hindi ito powdery but still this is a pretty decent freshy na. Hindi siya gaano ka beast mode, which is very good for me since most of my student kinda annoyed with some of my perfumes, especially if it is really projecting well. And then, of course, perfumes are subjective, kaya hindi lahat ng mga students ko or mga nakakasalamuha ko likes the one or likes the perfume that I am wearing. So how would I rate the HSI Imagination? I would actually rate this an 8.3 out of 10. Pretty decent siya. There is something talaga lang na may kinukuha ko about this perfume. And by the way, the downside of this while I am wearing, based on my experience po to, nakakahilo siya gamitin. In which I think very normal since if I inhale an actual freaking tea or iced tea, medyo nadidizzy po ako. And I think similar lang po yung nakukuha dito since this one has a black tea na note. So if you want for more review like this, please don't forget to follow, hit that like button, and then you can check out some of my videos on my profile. And then, maybe HSI baka naman pa-sponsor. Let's have this kumbaga giveaway. Maybe lang, no? Maybe lang. I'm not really giving you the assurance. Maybe lang. I will give a future giveaway. So, let's see lang po. Sana mablesengan natin. Blesengan, di ba? Mableasing tayo. Mableasing!